don't get it. Finally made it to Lombok, and even though this island is only 30 to 40 minutes flight away, or you can also take the boat from Bali for around 2 hours, this island does feels a little different from Bali. Well, the first thing that I noticed is it's a lot less packed compared to Bali, and also like the road here is a lot wider. Another difference is Bali is mostly Hindu populated, while here in Lombok it's mostly Muslim. So the vibe does feels a little bit different, but I can't wait to start exploring this beautiful island. I just made it to Tanjung Aan, which is like one of the famous beach here in Lombok. And look what's in front of us. They're just eating here next to us. Also, like, to come here you do need to pay for an entrance ticket. It's more like a parking ticket, and it costs 10,000 IDR. Just did a quick dip at the ocean, and it was like super relaxing, and it's super nice. Yeah, the beach here is super beautiful. It's really nice. Not a lot of people. Even like driving around Lombok, there's not many people, and the road is like wide, so it was like pretty nice to drive around. Got into a restaurant nearby, so we are close to Guidebook beach. This is another beach, and we're at a war room now trying to order something. Yeah, I'm craving for some Indonesian food, and this war room or this restaurant is so beautiful because you have a direct view to the beach. There's a lot of local boats. I don't know if they're taking people to go for surfing because there's a lot of surfers in this area, but it's really nice. Ordered some nasi campur. It comes with tempeh, some vegetable, chicken, sambal, eggs. It's a little bit different from Balinese nasi campur. So I'm in Kuta area right now, and this is called Mandalika Kuta. And honestly, I'm just so surprised with how developed Lombok is. All the street was like very clean, white. They have a lot of like beautiful beach, restaurants, even the gym in Kuta area. It was like very convenient to like go around, find anything that you want. But Lombok is very quiet, and it's like almost like everywhere we go, there's not a lot of people, there is no traffic, so it's actually pretty nice. And how is it even like the beach that's famous here, like Tanjung Aan and also Kuta beach, is empty? Like I don't get it, but it's, yeah, it's actually pretty nice. It's like you have a private beach. Also, it's very nice to walk around here. Liking it so far. I feel like if you come to Indonesia, you should definitely come here to Lombok and check it out as well. Also, they have a lot of cool spots where you can surf. So I see a lot of like surf camp in Tanjung Aan, like near this area. And I feel like if you want to learn how to surf, or you're a surfer, then definitely check out Lombok. Another 30 minutes and we've made it to Selong Belanak. This was like where I had the best sunset spot, although it's kind of cloudy today, so I don't know if we're gonna catch some good sunset, but it's still very nice. Really? Someone built this. over there, they also have a lot of restaurants you can dine in all along the way. So I just walked all the way from where we were earlier to the end of the beach. And I have this cool stone people are like climbing up to, so let's quickly check it out. So I think this is the end of the beach. Like not a lot of people on this side. Wow. Actually a pretty good view. Just made it back from the beach, so I'm a little bit drenched. But yeah, it was so nice exploring Lombok. I honestly feel like even though it's a big island, most of the expat are living in either Senggigi area or Kuta, which is where I'm staying. And it does feels like a little Canggu, but with no traffic, so it actually feels really good driving around. They have pretty much everything in Kuta area. Like I saw a lot of like restaurants, cafes, good gym, and even a beautiful flower shop. So it does gives me kind of like a Bali vibe. People here are so friendly, so it was like really nice. And the price so far is a lot cheaper than Bali. I definitely feel like it has a lot of potential. I also noticed a lot of construction start going on, so hopefully it won't be as packed as Bali. But I can't wait to see more and share more about Lombok with you guys. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you're planning to come to Lombok or you've been to Lombok before, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!